The flag stands for freedom. The flag stands for opportunity. The flag stands for all of us. 100%, we all have the right to live in such a great country and the opportunity to live in this great country. Our Flag Day event is all about giving back. It's about sharing. It's about being emotional and saying thank you with open arms, giving hugs to veterans, both men and women. Several veterans have come to me, and it's a very emotional time. They give us a hug. And during that hug, one whispered in my ear, and having a tear in my eyes, the last time we celebrated this flag, when we came home from Vietnam, we were not celebrating. We got off of the back of the plane because on the front of the plane, we were being spit on. Soldiers had to get off in the back of the plane. They were told to undress and change into civilian clothing. So our Flag Day, our event is all about saying thank you. Thank you for your sacrifice. We know freedom isn't free. Freedom has cost us a tremendous amount and continues to cost us a tremendous amount. The freedom will never be free, and we at Paradiso Insurance will never stop honoring, respecting, and thanking not only you, but our men and women serving in our local community, whether you're with the fire department, the ambulance, or police officers. We know you keep our community safe. You love our community. You take care of our community. And that is why our Flag Day and our event is all about honor and respect. We will respect you. We will honor you. And we will not ever stop celebrating Flag Day and celebrating you, because freedom is something we will always want to have in this country. We want to make sure we preserve it. And how we do that here at Paradiso Insurance, we honor you during our Flag Day event. So our Flag Day event started 14 years ago. It started with maybe 20, 22, 25 people in our office. It started small, but I had a vision. I wanted to make sure we made a difference in our community. We were able to thank our community, thank our veterans, thank our police officers, thank our fire department, so many volunteers in our community. That's what makes our community special. People say, what makes Stafford Springs special? It's simple. It's the community. What makes up the community? We the people. It's the people of this community. And it started 14 years ago. And here on the 14th year, we're expected 3,000 to 4,000 people. We are going to continue to grow this. My goal and aspirations is to grow this thing so big that it is the largest Flag Day celebration in the whole country. Yes, we're looking for more than 10,000 people. That's when I'll start handing off some of the batons and maybe step back a little bit. Maybe not a lot, but a little bit. We have so many great teammates that want to make sure we get to that 10,000. Jordan McKay's got hundreds, if not thousands of hours invested in our Flag Day event. The amount of effort and energy and money that goes into this, from the unbelievable people we asked to come sing the national anthem, to the 400 to 500 pounds of roast beef that starts cooking that day, to the 15 to 20 cooks who serve on the grill serving hamburgers, and the other 4 to 5 people serving hot dogs, and all the free ice cream, and the t-shirts and the replacement flags. It takes a small village to be able to put this on. It's because of honor and respect. They love this country as much as I do. They love and respect our veterans, our fire department, our police officers, our ambulance crews. They love them as much as I do. And it's because it is a village of love and respect that we're able to pull this Flag Day event off, and it's going to be our best ever. And next year, we're going to go bigger, and it's going to be even better. It's because we have a village committed to the cause.